You want to start? You can start.
Racism!
Done, done!
Done, done!
Racism! Done, done! Murdabaद! Metal collective murdabaद!
भारत सरकार ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हमले
बंद करो, बंद करो!
भारत सरकार
जागो!
भारत सरकार
जागो!
Racism!
With 1 lakh Indian students in Australia and many more aspiring to go, there is huge concern in the student community about the reported attacks on close to 100 students in Australia in the last 1 year. The Students Islamic Organization of India has organized a protest demonstration here in Hyderabad and is making very specific demands from both the Indian government and the Australian government. You're also asking the UN to intervene, asking them to curb the Australian tendencies for racist tendencies. What are the other demands that you're making?
Basically, we are against the negative tendency of racist thinking, which is prompting the Australian citizens to develop a feeling of insecurity among the Indian students who are studying over there. Australia, which happens to be a country of 2 crore population, 2 crore 15 lakhs population, has got 1 lakh Indian students studying in various universities of Australia, and this happens to be a sizable proportion, and Indians happen to be the biggest non-Australian population who are studying over there. 30% of the revenue which Australian education department is procuring every year is being generated by Indian students. So
You are saying that diplomatic pressure on the Australian government by the Indian government. Do you think what the government has done is not enough?
See, the government is trying its level best to curb the racist tendencies in the Australian citizens, but this level of diplomatic pressure is not sufficient. It's not proving out to be sufficient to take sufficient action on this inhuman treatment on Indian citizens over there. So
You are also asking for an independent inquiry.
Yeah, this is what we are asking for. This has not been started as of now. We would like Indian government to push forward the idea of having a joint action committee of Indian and Australian citizens who will do an independent inquiry into what all is happening, because this issue is being painted as not being a racist but just a situational thing. But we strongly contend this claim which is being put forward as that it is a situational thing. It's not a situational thing, but there is a strong racist tendency behind all these activities. So a joint committee of Indians as well as Australians, if they do an independent inquiry in this, they can bring the actual secrets which are behind
So
this.
you're also asking for immediate relief to the victims and also for safe return. Do many people really want to return actually?
See, this is purely left to the Indian students who are studying over there. If the Indian students are willing to get back to their homeland, they should be. And since they have taken a conscious decision of moving out to other country and to develop their career, those students who would like to stay back there and continue their education should be provided all kinds of security over there.
So the last word from the Students Islamic Organization is that Australia should become lovable hosts and not parochial enemies. In Hyderabad, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
Racism!
Done, done!
Racism!
Done!